We're still working on that mirror brush. We want to mirror the internals of the tiles that we're mirroring with the mirror brush. Let's look at the code. So in the top level constants, we have a Bing 10 section here. A Bing 10 is a 10-bit layer that is encoded into one of our geometry tiles. So the geometry tile is 32 bits, and we can pack 3 sublayers in there. The sublayer contains the v16 value, the latching on the X and Y auto tile configuration, the mirroring on the X and Y auto tile configuration, and the rotation by 0, 90, 180, or 270 for the auto tile. So these masks right here are to mask in place. So I just realized this. These numbers here, we want to use the masks first before we use the shifts. And I think I might have got this wrong in the other long form video. But if we want to extract the LX bit for the auto tiling, we need to first mask the Bing 10 with this, and then we shift by 5. We don't want to shift by 5 first and then mask. That would be the wrong way to do it. Okay, so these are just the masks and shift amounts to extract these different bit packed values. Right here, this is just the different Bing 10 layers, right? These are the masks and shifts for getting out the midground, masks and shifts to get out the background, masks and shifts to get out the foreground. Monkey wrench macros 0 and O are confusing. In the mermaid section, we're going to add the body in the next video. And then here's what we did previously, here's footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You have been on this playlist. Like, subscribe, send money.